Toma or tomato is finally listed in Gate.io Premarket. If you notice, a few days ago, I made a video on why you should be worried about tomato because there's no pre-market, no total supply, and some other details that actually was needed for us to be able to know, okay, that this project are actually serious. But I can authoritatively confirm to you now that tomato have actually entered the pre-market, even as today happens to be the TG, that's token generation event that we have all been waiting for. So now Gate.io have announced the pre-market sales of tomato, and not only that, if you go to Gate.io and go to their pre-market OTC, you discover that currently now the price of tomato is currently at 0.001. To me, it's a good way to start for their pre-market. The price can either go up or down. At least with this pre-market price now, by the time allocation is being done to the players of tomato, you can actually quantify or estimate how much you might likely be getting from tomato. And I also want to say this: if you are in tomato, if you don't want to, if you are in bronze level, I will not lie to you. The amount of token you are going to receive will not be commensurate with the effort you've actually put into it. That's the truth. That's the reason why they said make sure you be in good level. So those are the things you need to take note. Then, from what we've actually confirmed, the following exchange will actually or likely be listing Tomato, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, then Binance. So look at the wallet someone found when he was doing a kind of, so look at the wallets, and those wallets actually contain tomato. So as you get more updates about what is going on with tomato, we keep on updating you. Then make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our video. More importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel to get hot and updated news as those updates are actually coming. You get that? So, and if you're here to register for Pulse, Pulse is the next big thing that is going to eat Telegram space. Make sure you join. Link in the description of my video.